Titan pressure washing here. Just out here on a beautiful day here out in Palm City. We've got this fairly large driveway we tacked on amongst this really bad roof. This roof is it's been a while since it's been done. It's actually a green roof. Got the truck parked next to the house. When I go around to the west side, you'll see what I'm talking about. I've got to do the roof and the gutter line. And this roof, there's a barn here. The barn we did earlier. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, you can see how bad it is. The majority of it's like that. So we still have to get the rest of it. It's a 612 pitch. It'll be a little sketchy to go up there. It's slick. When I was up there just a little bit ago. Anyway, that's a project we're working on. And there is the barn that we just did. And nice little barn. They had horses in here. It was really dirty before. The concrete wasn't in the quote, but I went ahead and did these little pad for free here underneath the door, sliding door there, and back here, the place where we parked boats and stuff for years. And this was all black. Up underneath here, I treated some of the stains. You know, we didn't hot pressure wash this. Yet again, it wasn't in our quote, so kind of did it for free just to be nice, help the guy out. And they were super gracious and they gave us his driveway. And sometimes you guys can upcharge clients like that, and they're really nice, sweet people. I went over and did the awning that covers that little portion, but this had mud dauber nests all over it, little teeny ones. They're literally everywhere. I got them all off, cleaned it up really well, and they were shocked how it really came out. You know, this is the first day of both of their retirements, so congratulations to them. So I figured I'd go the extra mile, and that's what we're doing today. So we've did the barn, and now it's a workshop, and they don't have horses anymore. They've got a pretty cool parrot that laughs like you think somebody else is laughing at you. It's pretty cool. And so this is the roof that we're about to do. You can kind of see where it's green a little bit. I don't know if you can tell that. That's actually green, little green tiles. And so we'll be doing that. Got the truck all set up out here. Tried to find a place in the shade, but got our employee out here. He's working away. He's a good guy. He's my age as well. Loves the work. He does really good work too. But so this is the front of the house, and it's pretty dirty. It won't be after this. It'll be nice. It'll be brand new. Wind's picking up a little bit. Said there might be thunderstorms, but I don't know. I think not so likely today, more so tomorrow. He's making his way down there at the end of the driveway, and so all right guys, it's the barn was about 1,200 square feet, and the roof on the house is 4,900 square feet. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon right now. Take me about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and we'll finish up right before dark. So until next time, guys. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Titan pressure washing here. So we came to do this roof cleaning for this 4,900 square foot home over here in Palm City. We were doing some little cleanup work in the barn in the back, and they said, oh yeah, we'd like you to come out and do our driveway as well. And so they added that on, which is super awesome. And we just finished the roof to the main house. And it's actually green tile. It was completely black. You'll see the previous video. And so this is, all the gutters were done, tidied up. They pretty much got a full house wash out of it. Roof looks immaculate now. Just got to dry. Got the setup going on. I'll walk you guys through on the last video. Kind of hard to see, but I put neutralizer on everything. Everything's gone over and been neutralized. Came out really well. There's some staining up underneath the oak tree, but overall, this is a really nice big property. Overall, the roof really came out really nice. And yet again, those are the tiles are colored that it's like jade green with little black streaks in them. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's pretty hard to do. I'm just giving you guys a walk around of what we've done. We got up underneath the soffits, did all the gutter work. That side's all done. And we also did this whole entire barn. They wanted the roof done on the barn as well. Guy said he couldn't remember last time that the barn looked that good. They had a whole bunch of mud daubers all over the side. Roof's still drying, of course. Got all up underneath the soffits and everything. Oh yeah, we did this concrete pad. It's one of the little freebies I added in. So we did this concrete pad, cleaned it, cleaned all the brick up underneath the door. They used to have horses, but they don't anymore. So this side came out real nice. All the soffits are nice, clean. We'll come back around here. And there's this concrete pad here that was completely blacked out. Mold and algae, and of course oil stain. This is another part of the freebie that we did. And that's how she came out. Came out really nice and clean. Cleaned, went over the tarp that's over there on the canopy. Went over that. Rig's out here doing its thing. And this side, and you had to paint, do a little bit of painting up there on the eave. Couldn't reach, I guess, for the ladder. But they said they definitely know who's going to come back out and clean it again. So, yeah, we've had a good day. It was a successful day. It was a full day. Just a lot of extra work. But it all works out in the end. When you have a great company and a great crew, everything works out really well. Day goes by easy. Driveway comes out clean. Roof looks brand new. All right, like, share, and subscribe, guys. You know what to do. See you next time. Titan Pressure Washing out.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen her patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.